Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite dish and recipe. Anyway, today we'll just give you a quick recipe. It's a vegetarian dish, vegetarian stew served with couscous. So hopefully you guys will like the recipe, and please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching my show. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming for you. See you next time and stay in tune with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen. Welcome back, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. But anyway, today we want to make a vegetable stew served with some couscous. Alright, vegetarian, welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. First of all, I want to say I have one courgette which I just cut up a while ago. One medium sized one like this. I dice it up very small, and this is the way I dice it up. I have one chopped tomato and also some yellow pepper and red pepper, white onion, and some spring onion, garlic, and some mixed vegetable salad right here. So the mixed is a mixed bean salad. You know what I mean? It's just got like beans and red kidney bean and beans and corn. Right over here I have some tomato, right, chopped tomato right over here, which I'm gonna use a little bit of it also. What I want to simply say to you guys is a vegetable stew. Alright, get to the point. Vegetarian stew. So today that's what we're going to make, and I want to share that with a little bit of couscous, or you can share it with some plain rice or whatever you like to serve with it. In this stew you can put a lot more stuff. You can put carrot, potato, many more different ingredients you can put. You can put celery, a lot more stuff, guys. But we're just gonna keep it simple. And this is the way we're gonna be started today from Chef Ricardo cooking show. So as I said before, courgette, tomato, yellow pepper and red pepper, just a little piece of a white onion and some spring onion, garlic, and some mixed beans right here. Mixed bean salad. Beautiful. Look how we cooking in the kitchen today. Look at this amazing recipe. Nice. So medium sized pot on the stove, little bit of olive oil in it. Then next what we're going to do, thyme, garlic, white onion, and we're gonna put all of our veg. Give it a stir for about 5 to 6 minutes. Nice and lovely stuff. As you can see, I've just fried it up. So we're gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of the mixed bean salad. Then tomato sauce. Alright. And then we're going to season it up now with little pepper. Mixed herb. Vegetable season. And a pinch of paprika. A little bit of ketchup. Lovely and nice. But I put a little bit more of the tomato sauce. So what you're gonna do, just allow this for it to cook and simmer down for a nice good 10 to 15, 10 minutes at least, just 10 minutes. Nice and lovely, guys. To be honest, I just use 1 tin of chopped tomato in it, just to give it a lot of flavor and taste. So basically this is finished. So what we're going to do, we're gonna shear it out. But as you can see, very easy recipe. Vegetarian stew served with couscous. It's an amazing recipe, guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching the show. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming your way, guys. As you can see, this one is just from Chef Ricardo. Amazing recipe. And we have a lot more vegetarian stew served with couscous. Look how we're going to do the couscous now. Nice and lovely. So we're going to pop a little bit of couscous in the bowl like this. Alright. First of all, I just want you guys to see exactly. Nice one. Pinch of mixed herb inside of the bowl. And also just a pinch of pepper. Then a pinch of vegetarian season. Give it a stir. And some olive oil. Nice one. You can use veg stock if you like. So we're gonna add some water. You can use some veg stock if you like to use it. Then basically let's get the cling film and let's wrap it, seal it like this, and leave this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely. Welcome back, guys. As you can see, this is a couscous. We're for about 15 minutes now. Let's take a check on it and see what's going on. Ah, this looks lovely and nice. So this is exactly what we are talking about. Alright. So as I said, let's shear it out. I want the guys to see exactly what we are talking about. Alright. Put a little bit of couscous on the plate. And also got the vegetarian stew. Look at that. Beautiful. Really nice. So guys, as you can see, couscous and vegetarian stew, really nice. It's a vegetarian dish, and hopefully guys will like the recipe. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. Got a lot more ideas, tips and recipe coming out for you. And remember, this is gonna be day 4 of the detoxing of your body. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show.